switch on the glide, go we gon' take all your motherfucking top. We them young and we clean, we swiping your block. And I'm not fucking with you, cause your brothers are out. Get them out in the stool and I punch on the clock. I be having that Zimmer, come get you a bag. Ain't spit for your foe, but steady gon' I say. Boy, you a bitch with a foe, was your dad. I be whipping the charger, they be like to go. I'm screaming.
Hey man, so I know my cameraman don't do too much talking, he's kinda on the weird side. But we doing some S650 headlights, you feel what I'm saying? Taking the RTR inserts out, the LEDs, we just blacking them out. New putting a new badge on there. All that good shit, you feel what I'm saying? We ain't doing too much talking, so I'm gonna inform you. Ah man, we got a whole bunch of Sunday fun day stuff for you, man. Let's change the look though. Oh yeah, on the road it look crazy. Hey, bro, boy. You gotta show them what we're doing to it.
Dang, which one is it? This one?
What y'all finna
You putting these in? You getting rid of the
Yeah, I'm trying to make the headlights pop more, so
Okay.
I'm probably gonna swap them out for now.
swapping these out? So look, right?
Huh?
Every time I try and do something to the car, something come up. Payments, this, that. Like I gotta pay for my tag. $30. I used to do like 50 a paycheck, but I've been pushing into that.
That's what I'm saying. If you can't do 50, do 30.
Do 30.
20. I mean, you just put
Just do something low, huh? Yeah.
I got it.
I still got more parts coming in. I got new.
My insurance, bro,
But it went up.
it's going up. Cause you know I moved, bro.
So what?
They trying to do 760.
Oh no, boy.
They trying to do 760, bro.
It was absurd.
Just taking that one out and leaving it blacked out, but I don't know.
Yeah, mention that.
You think so?
Just gonna change it while we got it on.
Yeah.
May as well. I was gonna
Yeah.
How your credit is, they gotta your insurance rate blacked out.
Oh really? Man, my credit been, you know what I'm saying? It's,
I'm tired of it being the red bat when all the other ones are purple.
Yeah.
I took that thing off. I tried to get down there to get to the. Yeah, no, it's like I do the GT500 hood because when I get, when I get my new hood, and if I got a GT500 hood, I feel like that'd be too much up badging.
too much up badging. Plan on doing any performance mods?
Headers next.
Headers.
At some point.
Headers, you know, you gotta get it tuned.
Yeah. I'm having,
Installation costs, and then the, you know what I'm saying, headers themselves. So it's gonna be.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take out a loan for all that.
Are you turning 725?
Because this shit ain't free. It's sauce.
Alright.
Man, bro, I don't know what I want to do. First, shit just got going. Which I mean, shit, I'm turning numbers.
Yeah.
Do do it. If you do it for long enough, you're bound to get a decent following.
Tell you, you ain't going quick enough, bro. I'm trying to blow it
Yeah. We can like blow up my car right now and try to get some views.
Installation gone wrong.
Headlight installation gone wrong. Engine blown.
Shit.
That's insane. Disconnect the lights real quick. Oh fuck, forgot the RTR light. Hard part's done.
You said how much were those premium lights for, man?
The S650s were 1100 with the RGBs.
How much you gonna sell these bad boys for?
1,000 right now.
Like 5,000.
5,000?
They're on a Chevy Super Snake before.
Yep. It comes with a free coyote badge.
Well, ain't nothing free.
Ain't nothing free actually. Then I think about it.
Not at all.
But I mean, if you charge it 5,000 for the lights, bro.
I mean,
We know what we got.
No low ballers.
absolutely not.
So we got a new inserts here. It's cleaner. Everybody change the badge out real quick. Hey Cam, next upgrade right here, bro.
Thank you. Let me see.
Next upgrade.
Oh, I
right here,
got a second one in the trunk if you want it.
Think about it, bro.
bro. So you want it? Hell no, that shit kind of crooked, bro.
How was that fucked
No, go down one.
up? Go down one.
Go right here. No, so I'm still at right, bro. Let me see that badge in your hand, Cam. What's that?
Wait, is that right?
That might be right. It's cricket. I think you gotta when you bolt it in, you gotta.
Take the nuts off.
Yo, that shit looks good.
Shit look good, bro.
Just wait till you see it, man.
Happy customers, man.
Love it, man. Gotta love it. Yeah, that shit look good. Yeah, I should have did it before and after. That shit gonna be clean. Hold on. Do something real quick. Let's see something. Look at that, bro. Look at this. That's tough as fuck.
What you think, man?
Yeah, I definitely made the right decision.
You know what's crazy, bro? That's it, bro. Want some wicked stuff?
He said, yeah.
I mean, I don't know how to do that shit.
Hell nah.
My Mustang, you feel me? Cams. But let me give my folks an update. Cause like I said, bro, Cam is, he don't talk to the camera, bro. He's lazy. Got both of the headlights in. I gotta do the wiring, gotta run out of wiring and all that. I ain't no wiring guy, but we finna figure it out. You feel what I'm saying? YouTube. Hey bro, hit the turn signal. Make sure it's locked in. Ooh.
Other side.
Yellow wire, purple stripe. Alright, hit the turn signal.
Do the hazards. You wanna do the hazard?
That shit money, baby.
Snake, bro.
Dude, I love it.
Keep them coming back. Shit, we good to go.
Yeah.
So it didn't do the red and the blue?
I couldn't figure out the mode, but I'm sure. I'm gonna look on the app.
I'm sure it probably does have that. Red and blue.
Hey, in a week or two, I'm gonna have new splitter on.
Huh?
Said in a week or two, you want me to put my new splitter on?
Yeah, that's cool. I wanna order me one, bro, but
And I think with the clear lights going and this being black also, it just makes it like more aggressive.
yeah, that shit clean, bro.
Like a whole new front end, man.
Oh yeah.
Shit was worth it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Man,
That was the last few bolts. What's going on? All right.
Alright, try reverse that and change the lights and everything.
like bright as fuck at night. That joint do look nice. I like the daytime.
So I think since you got all the purple accents, bro, change the headlights purple. Yeah. Nah.
Yeah, I'll put the tail lights on.
Tail light special. And for anyone who is wondering why he got all this S650 parts on his S550, because he already has an S650. That's tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty nice. But hey man, Daily Deuce TV, appreciate you for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the install. Shout out to my cameraman, Cam behind the cam.
Oh, sir.
Yes sir, tune in this video, gang. Quiet mode, okay.
I got you, yeah. Chill.
What's going on with you, bro? What's up with you, bro?
Chill, bro. Chill. That's Draco, bro.
Ow, bro, you tripping?
My fault, man.
Get all this shit out my seat, bro.
My fault, man.
Passenger princess, this how you treat me? Hey, bro, you feeling good riding passenger, though? Let's see what this, how this look on the road, though. I ain't trying to catch too much wind. I can't even see what I'm recording.
Switch on the Glock, go we gon' take all your motherfucking talk. We them young and we clean, we swiping your block. And I'm not fucking with you, cause your brother's a op. Get them out in the stew and I punch on the clock. I be having that Zimmer, come get you a bag. Ain't spit for your foe, but steady going outside. Boy, you a bitch with a foe, was your dad. I be whipping and charging, it be like to go. I'm screaming.